Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Julie. I thought I'd just do a chat this morning. Take out my notes. Sometimes I can't do this off the cuff. I gotta see what I wrote down. So today is October 1st. It is 6:30 in the morning. If you watch a couple of my videos already, you know that is not that early for me. It's almost sleeping in because the job I work at normally starts at 6 a.m. and a job that I'm probably not going to have probably no more than a year at the most. We got the news several weeks ago that my plant is shutting down. I mentioned it in the last couple of videos. It's just water. And well, holy moly. First thing I wrote is that I have a couple cats that live with us. If you stay till the end of the video, I will leave an introduction to the cats that live in our house. But I did a short video of one of my cats going down the stairs. He's kind of on the obese side, so he kind of walks down kind of different and funny. That short video got 29,000 views. Holy crap, that's almost viral for this channel. I don't have any other video that comes close to that many views. Probably my next one behind it might be my slipper pattern. I got a popular slipper pattern that's maybe has 8,000 views. But yeah, that blew me away. It's like 29K. Holy crap. I just wish more of my videos did that. So, and it did get me a few more subscribers. So if you're by chance out here because you want to see the cats, let me know in the comments. Or if you like cats and I want to see more cats in my videos, also let me know. Some other life updates. My husband back in June had injured his back. So and now it's the 1st of October. I know our insurance wouldn't pay for surgery until he had like 6 weeks of physical therapy and all sorts of stuff going back and forth. He was supposed to have his surgery the 3rd, and because he's diabetic, his A1C was too high, and now his surgery got pushed back to almost the end of October, which is like something like the 26th, and my poor husband, he's devastated. So that he's got to have like 3 more weeks of pain, and he's already had almost a couple months already. So hopefully pray that when it comes around again, he'll have his surgery and then be recovered and be pain-free. That's a while up. So, okay, more babbling. Let's see. Oh, I don't know if you've seen any of my, I don't know if I had him in any, yeah, of course I had him in a work in progress video. I had made this doll using some yarn I bought from a local yarn shop. And I was actually going to bring this doll to that shop and show them what I've done. But yeah, this local yarn shop is next to a Walgreens, which I had to go to pick up a prescription. So while I was there picking up a prescription, I thought I'd go and show off this doll. Unfortunately, it was a Friday, and this shop closes at 4 p.m. and it was after 4 p.m. so I never got a chance to show them off. But I did walk to the Walgreens. The Walgreens is pretty close to my house, so I actually walked there to pick up the meds. And while I was out and about, I took this guy along with me, and we had a nice little walk. And I took a few pictures of this guy out on a walk. I know. Let me know if I'm crazy. But his main purpose of going out was to show off. Show him off to the local yarn shop. Might still do that yet. So I am working on another tutorial. I tried it. It's a Saturday, so usually I start on a Saturday to work on my projects. This is my latest video tutorial. If you have seen, I did a mystery yarn challenge 922 with Armchair Chef. And the project I did with the yarn that came in was a tree skirt. And I asked in that video if they wanted to see a video tutorial on that tree skirt. And a couple people said they did. So this tree skirt is the process of me making a video tutorial for a tree skirt. You know, again, not very colors of our Christmas, but try to get this one done. I'll put my tree up and put fall related stuff on it. Thought would look good for that. So make sure you subscribe and hopefully don't miss out on my tree skirt tutorial. Which I always hope my tutorials do well. It's a mix of on and off, it depends, but several people said that you wanted that. Okay, what else was on my list here? See, project for video. Oh, project for the Pinterest challenge. There's a Facebook page that I belong to. It's called the Sustainable Pinterest Challenge. It's not necessarily crochet or knitting related, it's craft related. So like every month you might do a theme challenge, and this month I actually knew months before was zero waste. So I knew for a while that I wanted to make a basket out of grocery bags, plastic grocery bags. This is the one of them I had recently done. I threw in my winnings. Lee's Crochet had a giveaway a while back and I won, and that's now her stuff. Her yarn is now sitting in this basket I made. So I might add on to this basket at a later date. I pretty much run out of plastic bags. Once my husband gets up and better again and he starts to do some of the grocery shopping, he'll bring home way more plastic bags. Me, when I go grocery shopping, I try not to use plastic bags. I have reusable bags that I use, and a couple I have made on this channel, so I will link those. And there's some upcoming projects that I kind of would like to do. That I do yet. I have some okay. Babble. Okay. There's some projects here that I kind of want to get into before the end of the year, and definitely before our cruise in January. I saw a video on YouTube to make a skirt. I believe I'm going to use this yarn to make this skirt. I don't know when I'll get started. I can probably start anytime, but I'm looking at all my works and projects right now, and I'm like, maybe, but I probably do need to get that started soon if I want it done by January. I do have several other projects. There's if you see my work in progress videos, I have a project that I have to get done by Christmas. Oh, speaking of Christmas, it's probably when it gets, now that we're getting into that Christmas season, I probably want to start making some projects as Christmas gifts. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet. Well, last year I made some snowmen to give. I gave to my brother, my sister, and my aunt. I made some snowmen. I don't know if I'll repeat that again this year. I might make some ornaments. I also made some gift bags, some little gift bag. I have a tutorial for a knit linen stitch gift bag, and I got a bunch of those. I'll probably make a few more of those, or I might make some gift bags. This is a project that is a prototype for potential video. Let me know what you think. I like how it turned out, but this is the seam end, and I'm not quite sure. I don't know if you can see. I'm not sure I like how that seam is. But, instead of, again, trying to be sustainable, I might make a couple of these and put the gifts in these bags instead of wrapping them up in Christmas paper, which, okay, I would have thought Christmas paper is recyclable, but then I hear it's not because there's a coating. Let me know in the comments if that is the case. And then plus we also have some gift bags. My husband likes to use gift bags that he'll just buy and just toss them in a gift bag. He would make them, then other people can reuse them. Or if they're here, if they get their gift here at the house and don't want to keep this, they can give this back to me. All right, okay, enough babbling. So also another thing, I've done a couple what's in my bag videos. So that does halfway, those videos do halfway decent. So it's pretty much going to be a projects I've done in the past that you might want to see. And so surprisingly, my what's in my bag videos do pretty decent. So, and plus my shirt, and I did them in shorts too, and that does pretty good too. So, all right. And so that might be an upcoming video. So that is all the babbling I have today. My chat videos do too. So if you like this kind of content, please let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you guys already. I've hit my 500 subscriber mark. Still haven't come across that communities tab, which I would like to have. That might show up. I think I've seen in the comments that shows up about, maybe they want to make sure the 500 subscriber mark's going to hit. All right. And that is all I have for this short video. I will see you in my next video, which is probably going to be the tutorial on the tree skirt. And of course, stay tuned for the video that introduces all my cats that live in this household. And I will see you in my next video. Bye now. Bye again. All right, this guy here, this name, he's Gambit. He's the one that got 29,000 views going down the stairs. This is our other cat. His name is wandering away. It's Midnight. Next to Midnight is our son's cat. He lives with us. His name is Shadow, and he's the baby of the bunch. Okay, see if I can get one. And that's Midnight. Midnight and Gambit are the old cats. They're at least 10 years old, actually, probably more than that. Gambit's 11, and Midnight's about 13, and I'm about ready to feed them in the morning, and they're just looking at me like, hey, where's the food? And there you go. The other cat went in the bathroom. That's the cats that live here.